Hey guys, today we did the Classic City bikepacking route. We started in Greensboro, Georgia. Is it Greensboro or Greensville?
Greensboro.
Greensboro, Georgia.
At the farm.
At a farm. And we rode through Athens up here to Watson's Mill Bridge State Park. See the mill bridge over here. The mill and all would have been back here in the background. You can see this waterfall and all. And the kids are all out here playing, having a good time.
This is the longest covered bridge in the state of Georgia.
Yes.
We know that now.
We're learning all kind of covered bridge facts. Also on the ride, we stopped at Scull Shoals.
Scull Shoals, yep.
And that is the state's oldest paper mill?
Paper mill, yeah.
Yes, it was a paper mill. And there's a ruin there, and that's pretty neat. But the coolest thing we saw today was an 1860s Georgia militia
like reenactment.
Reenactment.
Yeah.
So it was before the Civil War. So there was a whole group there. They had what, 5 or 6 tents. They had a chuck wagon. They were cooking.
Yep. And fires. They're laying out, relaxing. It was really cool. Very cool.
They had historical weapons there.
Yep.
They had their tents.
We're talking pre-Civil War stuff. Very cool.
Their clothing. They had all kinds of neat stuff they had going on.
Yep.
Coney National Forest part of the route, we had 30 miles solid of gravel with no road at all.
Oh, creek crossing?
Yeah, a few creek crossings at Arnold's Mill. A cool thing about Arnold's Mill is if you look in the woods, you can still see the old mill.
Yep.
If you just zoom by, you can, you'll miss it. But be careful crossing it.
I heard you can wipe out.
You can wipe out. We've seen somebody do it. No names.
It might be on video.
It might be on video.
Oh, we got some leftover chicken biscuits from this morning. Just got on my plate right
Chick-fil-A?
here. Yeah.
That's your go-to bikepacking food, right?
Good stuff. You just store them in here. I got one more.
Awesome. I like your plate.
Thank you.
That looks good. Just leave it hanging out. On a hot day like this, it just keeps it warm. Good to go.
On microwave.
Woo!
Come on, let's go. There you go, Cal.
Our next stop on the tour was Athens. Me and Sean both are UGA grads.
Classic City.
Classic City, so that's where we came up with the route name. And that was the first time I've been back in 18 years.
A lot changed. It was great.
Yeah, a lot has changed, but unfortunately we are still at COVID-19. So the city was basically shut down. We were craving hamburgers and we had to settle for what we could get, which was 1 star.
One star restaurant.
I won't put down any names, but it was 1 star.
We won't be back.
Yeah. And but you know, it's an experience and it's always fun.
Yep.
And I was exhausted. So after we got through the restaurant, the Cookie Monster here, he had to have his ice cream and cookie. So we had to ride around and go up a few hills that I wasn't excited about, but we got to the restaurant.
Got the milkshake.
I can say one thing about the restaurant. It had the air conditioning going.
Right.
So I got to stand in the air conditioning the whole time Sean was eating his cookies and cream milkshake.
That's right,
yeah. So it was very good. What else? Anything exciting today?
You've covered it. I think that militia was very cool to see.
Yes.
That was We just happened upon it. It was really cool. Our campground seemed like it's great. We got some nice showers.
All right, Sean, where are we at? What's going on?
We stopped for a quick bite at Dollar General in Rails, Georgia.
And it's fantastic. We have the best food.
Yeah, so good.
Way better than that garbage we had at that restaurant in Athens,
right.
right? Yeah. Well, we got it all here. We got chips, mustard,
Beef jerky.
beef jerky, mayonnaise. Well, we didn't get any mayonnaise.
And we got some dessert. Golden beer.
All right,
All
we're
right.
set. Oh. One note about this route: once you get to Athens, there are bike lanes, but you're looking at 20 miles of asphalt. So just be prepared. And you're going to be spoiled down in the national park. It's nice and flat. But
Take lots of water.
Yeah, as soon as you start getting tired in Athens, it starts getting hilly.
Yep.
But all in all, a great day.